In this quick tutorial, we're going to introduce you to the new expanded view and what you can do with it within the BRAVOZONE. I'm here in Tally within the BRAVOZONE for this demonstration. Here is how it traditionally looks. You have everything in a deck that's up and down. What I'm going to do here is click on the new expanded view here in the upper right hand corner. And now I can see all my slides a little easier. In this particular situation, we have 37 slides. And if I need to move a slide around, it's much easier to do it here. Another feature is you can hide the library. And that gives you a little bit different look within this view. And if you so choose, you can actually just work in this view and build content in the expanded view. The choice is yours. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.